In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Android. Let's start with the basics. On most Android phones, the easiest way to create a reminder is by using the built-in Google app or the Google Assistant. First, unlock your phone and go to your home screen. Look for the Google search bar or open the Google app. This is usually the colorful G icon. We'll use this to create a simple reminder you can rely on. In the search bar, tap once so your keyboard appears. You can type something like, "Set a reminder to call mom at 6 p.m." or "Remind me to pay rent on the 1st of every month." When you type that, Google will recognize that you're trying to create a reminder and show a reminder card on the screen. On this reminder card, you'll see the title of your reminder, along with options to adjust the date and time. Take a moment to review these details. If the time or date isn't correct, tap on the time field to change it. You can scroll through the hours and minutes and choose between morning and afternoon, or switch to a specific date if you're planning ahead. Being accurate here really helps you avoid missing important tasks. Once everything looks good, tap the Save or OK button. Your reminder is now created and will trigger a notification on your phone at the time you selected. When the reminder pops up, you'll usually have options to mark it as done, snooze it for later, or dismiss it. If you're busy when it appears, snoozing can be helpful, so it comes back after a short delay. You can also use your voice to set reminders if your device has Google Assistant enabled. Just say something like, "Hey Google, remind me to drink water every 2 hours," or "Remind me tomorrow at 9 a.m. to send that report." The assistant will repeat your request back to you so you can confirm it, then save it automatically. This is especially handy when your hands are full or you're on the go. Finally, if you want to view or edit your reminders later, open the Google app again and tap on your profile icon or menu. Then look for the Reminders section. Here, you can see all upcoming reminders, make changes to the time, or delete the ones you no longer need. Taking a minute to organize this list can really keep your day running smoothly.